Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we'll dive into TikTok shops, exploring how they work and the potential earnings you can make from them. You will also find the link of my #1 recommendation to make money online below this video. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on future videos. TikTok is no longer just a platform for sharing funny videos. It has evolved into a powerful marketplace where you can make thousands selling digital products. With TikTok shops, you can tap into a massive and engaged audience actively looking for unique and valuable products. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, TikTok shops provides an incredible opportunity to establish your brand and boost your income. It's a chance to connect directly with potential customers, build trust, and drive significant sales. The key to success on TikTok shops lies in understanding the platform's dynamics and tailoring your approach accordingly. From setting up your shop to crafting compelling content, every step plays a crucial role in attracting customers and maximizing your earning potential. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the ins and outs of making thousands with TikTok shops. Get ready to unlock the secrets to online success and watch your digital product sales soar. Before you start raking in the cash, there's a crucial first step you need to take. You need to ensure you meet TikTok Shop's eligibility requirements. This is essential to get started on the right foot. First and foremost, you need a TikTok account with a good standing. This means your account should be active and free from any violations. Adhering to community guidelines and maintaining a positive presence on the platform is key. Engage with your audience positively and avoid any content that could lead to penalties. Next, you'll need to convert your personal account to a business account. This is a simple but important step. Switching to a business account unlocks a range of features designed to help businesses thrive on TikTok. You'll gain access to detailed analytics, advertising options, and of course, TikTok shops. The application process is straightforward and user-friendly. TikTok has made it easy for you to get started. Simply navigate to your account settings and select the Switch to Business Account option. Follow the prompts carefully. Provide accurate information about your business, including your business name, contact details, and a brief description. Select the most relevant category for your digital products to ensure they reach the right audience. Once your business account is up and running, you can apply for TikTok shops. This is where the real fun begins. The process is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through each step and ensuring a seamless setup. TikTok provides clear instructions to help you along the way. With your shop approved, you're ready to start listing your digital products. Connect with eager buyers and watch your business grow on TikTok. The platform offers a unique opportunity to reach a vast audience and drive sales. To further enhance your TikTok shop and streamline your sales process, consider integrating with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. These platforms are designed to work seamlessly with TikTok Shop, providing a robust foundation for your online business. These integrations offer a range of benefits, making it easier to manage your inventory, track orders, and provide a seamless customer experience. With these tools, you can ensure that your customers receive their orders promptly and accurately, enhancing their overall shopping experience. Connecting your TikTok shop with your e-commerce platform allows for automatic synchronization of product information, ensuring consistency across both platforms. This synchronization helps in maintaining up-to-date product details, prices, and stock levels, which is crucial for avoiding overselling or underselling. This means any changes you make to your product listings on your e-commerce store will be reflected on your TikTok shop, saving you valuable time and effort. You no longer need to manually update each platform separately, reducing the risk of errors and inconsistencies. Moreover, integration enables you to leverage the robust order management and fulfillment capabilities of your e-commerce platform directly within TikTok. This integration streamlines the entire order process, from receiving the order to shipping it out, ensuring a smooth operation. This means you can process orders, generate shipping labels, and track shipments without ever leaving the TikTok app. The convenience of handling all these tasks in one place cannot be overstated, as it significantly reduces the time spent on administrative tasks. By integrating your TikTok shop with your e-commerce platform, you create a centralized hub for managing all aspects of your online business. This centralization makes it easier to scale your operations and focus on what matters most, growing your sales and delighting your customers. With a streamlined process, you can dedicate more time to marketing, product development, and customer engagement, driving your business forward. Now that your shop is up and running, it's time to stock it with those digital treasures you're eager to sell. But before you dive in, when adding products to your TikTok shop, remember that quality trumps quantity every time. It's not about how many products you have, but about how well they meet the needs of your audience. Focus on showcasing a curated selection of high-quality digital products that cater to the specific interests and needs of your target audience. This could include anything from informative ebooks and comprehensive online courses to eye-catching social media templates and time-saving software solutions. Each product should offer real value. When crafting your product descriptions, be clear, concise, and compelling. Your words should draw the customer in. Highlight the key benefits and features of your digital products using language that resonates with your target audience. Think about what they need and how your product can fulfill that need. Instead of simply listing features, paint a vivid picture of how your products will solve their problems, enhance their skills, or improve their lives. Make them see the transformation. And don't forget the power of visuals. A picture is worth 1,000 words. In the world of online shopping, high-quality images and videos are non-negotiable. They can make or break a sale. Invest in professional-looking product mock-ups, captivating lifestyle imagery, or even short, engaging video demos to showcase your digital products in their best light. Remember, your product listings are your digital storefront, so make them irresistible. The effort you put into quality will pay off in customer satisfaction and sales. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.